In this procedure, we will be replacing the evaporator fan on a Furrion air conditioner. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill, a Phillips bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. First, remove the screws in the front of the air conditioner. Next, remove the screws in the rear of the air conditioner. Then, remove the screws on both sides of the air conditioner. Now you can remove the rooftop cover. Remove the front foam cover. Next, remove the screws on the bottom of the frame that holds the motors. Insert the screwdriver through the hole in the evaporator fan and loosen the screw. You can now tilt the frame and replace the fan. Next, tighten the fan screw. Install the front foam cover. Install the rooftop cover, making sure the rear overlaps the filter grill. Install the screws attaching the rooftop cover to the air conditioner. This completes the evaporator fan replacement procedure.